Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am super excited. So I have bought a couple of wigs and I wanted to do reviews on them, and one of those wigs was the Dashly Lace Unit 11. This one is new. I haven't noticed this one in a minute. I've been lately into short wigs, more like looking natural. Short wigs have been like my thing so far, and I wanted to try this one just because it looked cute on the model. Now, when I got this wig, that was another story. The style of this wig was so off. I was not here for it. It had this weird little flip, and the lace itself wasn't, it was a very light tan color, which was really hard to like wash out with my compact powder. But yeah, that flip was irritating my soul, and I just could not understand why this style looked like this. Like, I got the beginning of it where it flowed right, but then that flip kicked in and I was just like, I don't know what to do with this. So I had to go in and just, of course, revamp it, which really irked me because I really didn't want to revamp a short wig. I was really hoping that I could just not mess with it and just put it on and be content, but you will see that did not happen. So I had to go in, and what I did was, because I hate that I had to alter this wig for this review, but I was looking crazy because you guys, I wear these wigs at work, so I might as well prep them ready to go. So I went ahead and I straightened her. I was like, start all over, let's just straighten you out because we obviously got some problems. There's a lot of problems with this wig. So besides the style of this wig, the construction of this wig is throwing me the hell off. There's extra, okay, so I don't know how else to explain this. I cut pretty close to the hairs. There's this little bunch up lace, and I don't understand what is going on. I try to cover it. I don't know if you guys can see it, but I try to cover it with as much powder as I can. I'm gonna use these bangs to try to cover that because it is a hot mess in there. I don't know. So yeah, I try to do what I can. This was very, very hard. Next, I just am not impressed with the lace not being already slightly brown. I get that multiple people wear wigs of different ethnicity, but it was hard to try to add powder to this. The powder could not even cling on to the lace like it should be. Like, I saw it turning brown, but when I put it on, it just didn't hide it as well, and I was not impressed. The lace was pretty bad. I just don't understand. Not only that, the lace was pretty bad, the hair is pretty bad, the styling of the hair. Even when I went back in to try to curl it a little bit, it did a little bit, but then it just looked flat now. So also, I get the large D part, but I covered it. I pulled some of the hairs over the part because no one wears their hair that deep, baby. No one, okay? It was a hot goddamn mess. I'm gonna come up so you guys can see. My space is small, so sorry. But this is where it ends on my neck. I love the length. I think the length is great. And then here is the wig itself. But I just think whoever cut this wig, who was doing the cutting, she was scissor happy. She was making choppy ass ends, which that's a problem for me. It just doesn't look natural. See how choppy it looks? It looks so goddamn choppy, Jesus. So yeah, whoever was helping them shape and cut this wig, she needs to go back. Same thing here. It just looks choppy and just, it looks odd. I thought I would like this wig more than the other wig I just got. But playing around with this wig, I don't like the execution of this wig. I don't like the choppy ends. Like, I can get a blunt end, got that, understand it. But to do layers and then choppy ends, like, what? You look confused. The lace is not the best, and the hairstyle was not the best. You will do a lot of manipulation before you are able to wear this wig, so I highly just suggest you find another short wig. This one was not it, sis. It was just a lot going on. Yeah, and I had to alter it to look like this. Decent. But yeah, I would definitely tell you guys to go with a different wig. I was not impressed. If this is their Dashly line, they need to take it back, throw it away, do something else with it, because this is not it. I was not impressed by the Dashly wig. I was not impressed by the overall look of the wig. The model, it looks beautiful on, and I feel like colors do make some of the wigs look good, like that copper brown, because I've had copper brown and I know that it makes that wig, make a wig look even better. I even seen it on blondes where it would look stupid on in dark, and then in a blonde wig it's perfect. So it's kind of weird, I don't know. But yeah, tell me what you guys think of how I have it, because Jesus, even just seeing it on the, you guys should seeing it on the viewfinder, it's very sad right now. I'm like, the fuck is this? But yeah, just a waste. This was definitely a waste.
Hey guys, be sure to check out my next video. I have another short wig that I think you guys will love, so stay tuned. Bye.